Hey, how's it going today, guys? Do you want to learn how to weld? Maybe you're curious what tools work best for certain projects in the garage. Maybe you want to learn how a piston produces power inside the engine. Which this is a huge piston, by the way. This is out of an aircraft engine. Maybe I'll go over this in a future video. Anyway, if you're curious about any of these things, then I have a brand new series coming out that you're going to love. So this series is going to be called the 101 series, and it's going to consist of relatively short videos, about 2 to 3 minutes long each, and they're going to cover the basics on a ton of different topics, such as engine components, tools, general knowledge, skills such as Welding 101, and many more. This series will have a new video coming out every Monday, so be sure to subscribe if you haven't already so that you don't miss anything. I'll still be doing my regular how-to videos and project videos like I always have. This 101 series is just another addition to the channel. So if you have any ideas on future 101 video topics, leave them down in the comments below, and I'll be sure to add them to my already long list of future video ideas. Remember, this series is coming out with a new video every Monday, so don't miss it.